Welcome to another episode of French Moments with me, Dr. Sewenam Chachu. How have you been finding the lessons so far? I hope that now you're able to easily conjugate the verb être and avoir. I hope that you have also mastered the use of some of the expressions that we have learned recently. Today we are going to look at conjunctions in French, les conjonctions. This is very important because when you're learning French, you get to a stage where you have to write more complex sentences than le livre est sur la table, which is one of the famous sentences you'll be exposed to. Now, sometimes you have to join two sentences together, as we do in English, using expressions like and, or, but, etc. Some express opposition, some express addition, etc. And we are going to learn how to do that in French so that you can have sentences that are more fluid, more natural, and you can have more adventure in your French journey. Alright, there's a simple way that the French try to put these together for easy memorization. So they have mais, ou, et, or, ni, car. Mais, ou, et, or, ni, car. Some of them put it together into a kind of sentence form, but it's really simple. Mais, ou, et, or, ni, car. And they mean different things and are used in different contexts. So I'll try and take them one at a time. If we don't finish today, we'll continue in the next episode. And so we'll start with mais. Mais means but. And but represents opposition. Okay, so we have an example like j'aime les mangues, mais je n'aime pas les bananes. In English, it will mean I like mangoes, but I don't like bananas. J'aime les mangues, mais je n'aime pas les bananes. So I like mangoes, but I don't like bananas. So that is where mais comes in. Mais means but, and it expresses opposition. So when you see a sentence, you should know that, and you notice that this is I like, I don't like. So there's that opposition. Then we have ou. Remember that in one of the lessons, I taught you that we have ou with an accent and ou without an accent. The ou with an accent means where, and it's usually used for sentences or to show location, and the ou without an accent means all. So we have an example like je veux acheter un iPhone ou un Techno. Je veux acheter un iPhone ou un Techno. I want to buy an iPhone or a Techno phone, obviously. So ou means all. Alright, so you're choosing one or the other. And then we have a. And remember, I also taught you that a is to be differentiated from e, which is est. In pronunciation, one is the conjugated form of the verb être, which we saw in a previous episode, and then this is et, a means and. So here we have j'aime les mangues et les bananes. I like mangoes and bananas. I like mangoes and bananas. Alright, so let's look at other examples. You can say, for example, il a acheté une chaise, mais il n'a pas acheté de table. He bought a chair but did not buy a table. And then you can say, tu veux sortir ou tu veux rester à la maison? So you're asking your child, do you want to go out or you want to stay at home? Tu veux sortir ou tu vas rester à la maison? Okay, then we have a. Kofi et Ama sont mes amis. Kofi and Ama are my friends. And so we have mais, ou, and a. Mais is but, ou is or, a is and. Think of a few more examples by yourself. Try and put them in sentence where you use mais, you use ou, or you use a. Est-ce que tu veux le marqueur noir ou le marqueur vert? Do you want the black marker or the green marker? Or you can say j'aime le marqueur noir mais je n'aime pas le marqueur vert. I like the black marker, but I don't like the green marker. Or you could also say j'aime le marqueur noir et j'aime le marqueur vert. So you like all the markers. I hope that it is clear. Please practice this, and hopefully we will continue in the next episode. Au revoir, à bientôt. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share. Au revoir.